Alright, hello. Welcome to the stream. Uh, so I was looking at people who played the early dev build, or the early test build of the game, and they were saying that the game kind of just stopped after the first boss, and it's really not supposed to do that, so I'm wondering if something happened somewhere along the road that I messed up, and I need to take a look at. So let me go to... Let's see, let me set... Where the hell is it? There we go. Let's set it to the first boss and see if I can beat her with nothing. 300, so I want to set it to like 299. And she should appear. Uh-oh. Skip string as dictionary. Okay, so it's having an... Oh. Oh, this is error with code I still gotta actually go through and mess with. Working on cutscene code. And I feel like I'm doing it all wrong. Let's see. Let's see if there's some sort of error I didn't account for. Oh. Shit. Damn it. Yeah, I'm doing all sorts of things wrong. I need to go through and fix that on that code too. It's a bit of a mess right now because I've been constantly going back and forth between a bunch of other things, and so I keep forgetting that I did stuff, or what I did or didn't do, and now it's all kind of out of hand. And... shit. Hold on, there's gotta be a better way I can do this. Let me... why don't I just do this? Just disable all of this, and then, just drop the boss in the scene. Let's see, enemies. There we go. Alright, now let's see it. Honestly, let's just give me a bunch of, just a ton of power-ups. So I can just kill her really fast. Sword's pretty good. Collection range is pretty good. Which ones? Yeah, just damage up on it. Just fuck it. Wait, why are these both... Hold on, I gotta go through and change that description. Why do they both upgrade bullet thickness? That's gotta be a typo. Ah. I think I know why nothing happens afterwards. It's because I, believe I was retooling... Oh shit, I should let that error up. How, I was retooling how boss level ups work. Which one of these made, like, her power insanely high? I had a bunch of buttons do different things. Oh, shit. Okay, that increased speed, that increased range. Whoa! Fuck. Increases bullets. And increases shots. Which one was just raw power? There we go. And then some sort of error happened after a time. Let's see. Level up in base node, the array. Right, because I was changing up how that worked. I was changing up how level ups worked. Shit. So. Yeah, it was in boss orb here. Yeah, because the way I was having it work is that they drop a boss orb. Honestly, I think I might, man, we're a doctor speaks. Oh, speaks up. Is it safe? Duh, we're not doing the election shit anymore. That ship has sailed. All the wind got sucked out of those sails when the actual election ended. Yeah, so I think I was retooling how I want level ups to even work in the first place. So when it activates a level up, Yeah. It's activating a level up based on the old system. I think, honestly, I wanted to do a thing where the boss drops like an orb thing and then you shoot it a bunch and like a bunch of XP comes out of it. Honestly, it might just be more fun. Well, you know what? I did go out of my way to make a whole item system. Maybe I could have it be that you pick it up and use it. Or maybe the problem with shooting it is that you don't get like enough shots in for it to like really be fun to like shoot it over and over again and just get a ton of XP. I think it would just be more fun for the boss to just drop a ton of XP, and then when you go up to the orb and grab it, that activates like the special level up. So instead of having it be on a timer, yeah. Yeah, instead of having it activate on a timer, what I'll do, take the timer off. I'll have the boss just spew tons of XP when they die, and then they'll disappear. Yeah, so let's go to... Where do I handle them dropping a boss orb? Did I just like special code that into each one when they die, or what did I do for that? Let's see, health, die, have it change whatever their state is to like a null state that they can just kind of sit in. And spew out XP. So yeah, what I'll have it do... Let's see, state manager dot... How does it work? Now go next goes to the next one listed. Dot set. Oh, I have it set states. Change state. Yeah, just change state. Yeah, so in... Yep, clean mistress. One die, dot, there we go, change state, change it to, and I'm gonna add a state, just call it null state, or just call it null. Change state to null. Null and bypass. And then as it's in this state, oh, no, I'm looking at... No, this is generic to all enemies. Right, so the only thing that made it, like, drop anything... Shit, was the fact that it had a drop thing. So then what about Yeah, all she has is like the generic enemy code. So then... Okay, and then I think I have... Okay, that explains it. Then what I want to do is actually, instead of calling die on death, let's disconnect that. I want it to call... I might as well just make it like a special code for boss deaths. And then I can branch off of that. So I think I'll make boss death a state. And then I'll take its code. Whoops. I'll take its code, extend it, call it boss death. I'll put it in my disorganized bullshit somewhere in my large giant scripts folder. Put it in enemy scripts, boss death. There we go. And then particular to this state would be update delta float void. Pass that for now. I think what I want to do is I want to make export bar exp drops, and I'll have that be equal to an empty dictionary. Yeah, where the dictionary will be what exp is getting dropped and how much. Would be what exp is getting dropped. I could just make it an array of arrays and have it equal to, have the first item in it be what gets dropped, second item being how much, and then the third item be a counter that's counting how much it dropped. No, I don't even have to do that. I can go ahead with the dictionary, and then what I do, I want this to be in the update then. I want to just put this in the enter. Enter. And I'll just have it go in order. Well, again, I could just make it an array. An array of arrays. array would probably be better. Yeah, but then my memory might not serve me that well, and I'll forget what the fucking order was. Well, now if I do a dictionary, I could just have each item... Yeah, and then I just go through each item. So then... for I in EXP drops... Let's see. He drops I... Why do you do another for loop? Let's do it this way. Let's see, for the in EXP drops I and then nah, I think I'll actually do it. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll go for, or no, I'll pick var drop will equal XP drops dot dot keys dot pick random. We don't pick a random one, and then I'll have it drop instance will equal drop dot instantiate and let's see, how did I have the boss orb handle ejecting them? It's been a while since I looked at this. Spew. In the spew... Generate EXP... I had to do a whole fucking thing. So... Let's just have it copy this whole fucking thing here. And then boss death. XP. Let's say I could probably... That way I don't need to call that every single time. Yeah, and then generate EXP, drop instance, No, so I don't even need to do that. Just drop. And then EXP drops. Drop. Minus equals 1. And then if EXP drops, drop is less than or equal to 0, EXP drops dot erase drop. That should do it. And then after that, if EXP drops dot. Nah, I should put this at the top because that'll run into issues. Drops dot is empty. Then go next and return. That should generate a whole spew of EXP on death. And then I should add exit void and have it on exit then I should have it on exit called die. On itself. Well, I should more thread that through to the on exit. Because I never know what kind of messed up, fucked up structure I might set up for a boss or something that I won't want it to be like directly coded in like that. Let's see, on exit, connect, play mistress, pick, die. There we go. Connect. And then it can drop the boss orb. And then just so I can make kind of more out of this orb object rather than have it be. Let's get rid of all this. All this extraneous extra shit it doesn't need. Put this in the exit function of boss death where it would more properly belong. Yep. All right. And then I don't need a ready for that anymore. Then boss level up. I don't need this anymore either. No, instead this will just be like honestly have it extend item. Validated effectively would just be an item. Let's go into item. Yeah, it has an on activate, which is when you collect it. On activate, yeah. Right, one activate. Yeah, one activate is when you it's when it gets into your zone. Do I use a totally different thing? Oh, my code's so fucked up. Hold on. What do I use for objects, items? What do I use for sunflower here? Oh man. Pickup is a totally different thing. I have pickup as a completely different thing from oh, it pickup extends item. Do I have that as a built-in script? Oh, I want to make that its own script. Kind of move away from using built-in scripts. Items. Yeah. Sunflower.gd. There we go. So let's see. Man, this is so janky the way I made this. All of this. Is this the boss orb? At least it's supposed to be, but its animation isn't working. That's why I couldn't see it. Interesting. Why is the animation not working? It's there. Something I did corrupted certain animations, and I don't know why. Is it... Hold on, do I have... Okay, no, it's not an animation thing. It's a fucking dumbass shader thing that I did. I don't know why I got this shader on it. I probably wanted a line around it, thinking, to make it more visible. I don't like that very much. No, I know why. It's because it, I wanted it to have its default line there. Instead, I wanted it to be able to colorize when you shoot it. But you're not shooting it anymore, so I don't see much of a point in that, so I can actually probably take this out of the shader. Because that's just going to cause more complications than necessary. Boy, I'm having to rework a lot. Oh. So let's see then. I want it to basically be a pickup. So I really more just want to completely change what this thing is altogether. Change type, body, character body 2D. Give it all the internal components I gave this one. pretty much delete all of this except for the sprite. Get rid of this sprite here. This collision shape can be there. Alright, and then no calls on health. Actually, don't even give it a health. Why does it have a health? Shouldn't it need a health? Sunflower? Yeah, no health. Boss level up. Physics is fine. And then its effect. I want to make something different. There's a boss level up handler code, I believe. So it's just called boss orb. So yeah, then I want to activate and I want to give this pickup. Ah, no, wait. I'm turning this into something that, no, I don't want pickup, I want item. We should collect it. Now, where'd the music go? Let's see now. Alright, so where was I? Yeah, so I want item. That's right, because item, unlike pickup puts it in your inventory to be used, whereas item just activates on pickup. Look at how EXP worked. Oh, I just made it, it's like own class. Gross. Gross. Don't like it. Not how I like it. But that's how it is. I don't want to really mess with that. But with the boss orb, what I can do then is... Oh, terrible, terrible, terrible. Laken, what are you doing? Absolutely atrocious. Call myself a programmer. Alright, signal... Honestly, signal on activate is better than having, like, on activate as a function. And so then here, instead of on activate, it's on activate dot emit. Much better. And then I can take EXP script. Instead of having it extend item, I'll call this effect. Just gonna have it use item. Have it end node. And then I'll have on activate how do I not have on activate and on collect be their own fucking thing? Item signal on activate signal on collect dot emit. I could see that messing with some stuff though. Activate, and then having what the hell? Oh no, this should be. I need to change this back to item. That's right. Yeah. All right. So then one activate and one collect. One collect emits. Yeah, but do I necessarily want it to then queue free? I may not, so I'll just have that. Honestly, wherever the hell it calls collect here. Which it may be, it is. It's from the area 2D. Yeah, so I want to do it like that. So then have it on collect. Now it calls on collect. At the physics. Sorry if this sounds like a whole bunch of gobbledygook. Yeah, for its friction to 0. And then, yeah, Q free right in there. I'm gonna make sure I take this. Shit, what did I value each of the EXPs at? I think I did them in variances of 10. So, small EXP. Change that to item. And, whoop. And paste effect in here. Change that to a 1. Activate effect and activate effects. And then on collect effect, which actually, why does my collect here reference another node? And it doesn't use it in this case. I think that's a holdover from it being derivative from the item script. So then do the same thing for large EXP. Load item and paste the effect in here, and this one like 100. On activate to effect. On activate. And on collect to effect. Collect. I should probably also just name on collect, but whatever. And I'm just going to assume that has not broken anything, even though that could have very easily broken everything. Alright. And then boss level up. So then boss level up. Let's see, on activate. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have it do anything on activate. But on collect, I'll have it. Boss orb. And boss orb won't be derivative from item anymore either, because that's redundant now. And yeah, just have it on collect, activate boss level up. There we go. Alright, and let's just hope nothing broke there. And over the world, and let's just go ahead and play that as is. See, I believe that's the one. Nope, that's speed. Fuck. Is it the middle one? Yep, middle one ups damage, and something broke. Alright, what broke? What broke? Cannot call method Q free on previously freed instance. Where is this happening? It's happening on Clay Mistress at Die. Is Die being called twice? I wonder. Let's see, what did I change? Okay, what all did I change again? So I have Clay Mistress. Oh, it's just like a generic enemy. So when she... Yeah, but it's, okay, health. I don't have death. Fuck. Yeah, I want to have on death call her state manager and change state. Let's see, I'll need a string. I'm gonna set a null. True. Okay, string, I want the string to be boss death. Oh, no, not another string. I'll remove that. Can I just give it a null? Like, how the fuck do I send it null information? So it's looking for, like, a state. Change state. What's change state look like again? Yeah, it's looking for an instance of a state. Fuck. How do I send that in a signal? Connect. How that connect to... Let's see if I can figure that out. Pick, change state... Ah, no! No, 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 Godot. Oh, what are you doing? Great, what all did I lose? What all didn't it save? I sure hope it saved nothing. Boy, wouldn't that be the best? Let's see, okay, it seems like it saved it all. I'll have to see how that works out then. You know what, I should make it explicit. I think what might be going on is that it might... Yeah, it might be getting... Well, no, because it didn't activate the on death thing yet. So I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and look at, Mistress again. Boss death. Yeah, that isn't when exit die, but it's health on death. Let's connect that to boss death. Pick. Where the hell? Oh wait, no, that's not what I'm calling. I'm calling state manager. Change state. Okay. And so it needs to be a string. It says boss death. Fuck, how do I send? Huh. Can I just send null? Can I just send empty nothingness? Why can't I just send null? Oh boy. Oh jeez Louise. Yeah, I think I need to change how state manager works. If I do that, that'll fuck up a lot of code. But that might be for the best. Go through and fix all that. It's like, why even have a bypass in the first place? Why even bother sending it? God, I just based this off of what someone else did on like YouTube, but I'm questioning like some of the things it does. Like, why even have it? How often do I honestly use in state manager? How often do I really need to reference the calling state? If curse state. Exit if it's false. Yeah, how much do I really like need any of this? Let's see like what all crops up in the errors list. That's going to bypass it anyway, so let's just change that. Excuse me. Yeah, I think just about every time I call a state change, I end up just using the bypass rule on it anyway, so what's the point? It's gotta be states. I gotta go through all my state code. States, states, states. Oops. States. Let's see, how many of these are messed up by the state change code? Almost none of them, it seems like. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it ever really, Oh, this would be incorrect. So we're going to use this anymore. Well, let me go back and see. Let me go back and see how many of these actually had anything crop up as an error. Nope. 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 Not state manager. Not wheel controls. Yeah, so it seems like none of the states even really use the proper state change code anyway. I'm always bypassing it. I might as well have it only pass the name. I don't see what else I really need to pass to it. So then, now in health or in death, well, state manager, pick, change state, add a string, and just make the string the state I want, which is boss death. Connect. Let's go ahead and save that. Alright, let's see what kind of issues I run into now. For some reason it's calling its death somewhere for some reason where otherwise wouldn't be. Do it. Alright. Invalid call, non-existent function, enter in base nil. Okay, curse state. Exit curse state equals state list get change. So does that mean I just called the wrong... I spelled the name wrong, perhaps? It doesn't by name, I believe. State name. It's death. I don't think I spelled it wrong. Did not register it as a proper state. No, it's a state, all right. It goes through and collects states. Name, yeah, so it's got its name in there. First state dot enter. State list. I don't get it. I'm having trouble finding. Enter in base nil. Let me look at the output. Bullet, no. No. Boss death. Yeah, so got that all right. Name. Print. Name. And then print your state list. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. In the state list, we have Clay Mistress. Let's move towards player, arm state. It does have boss death as a state. So why, for the life of me, can it not find boss death? What all is happening when you die? Move range, push box. Wonder. There's no, actually I didn't even set a go next for it. I didn't set a next state for it. Wait, maybe that's why it's calling it. And yeah, because I didn't. Okay, I think I see what's going on here. It's because my dumbass didn't actually set any of the EXP drops. It's just instantaneously dying. And so it's trying to call a state that doesn't exist. Okay, that makes sense. So then what I want to make sure I do then is objects. Where's the EXPs? I have them in objects, yeah, items. So let's put in small EXP for an integer value of like, God, what would even be a good EXP amount at this point? Like 1,000 sounds like a fun number to like drop and get picked up. Object for medium. Let's add an integer value for like, not like 100. Add that, and then for large EXP values, large EXP values be like one really special one. There we go. All right, now let's see what it does. Interesting. On base node. Function generate EXP. Invalid get index global position on base node state manager. What the hell am I feeding it? Oh, that's in... Okay, it's not the EXP's global position, it's the... Okay. Yeah, I just need to change this to... this. There we go. Easy peasy. Jesus, now what? Cannot call method queue-free on a previously freed instance. So somewhere die is being called twice on it. And you know what? I will figure that out next time. Thank you all for coming to my stream tonight, watching me just code and work on games and stuff. It's been real fun. I'm hoping to do a bit more of this and to keep me focused on working on things. And I get to stream at the same time. I'll see you all some other time this week, maybe Wednesday, I'm thinking. So I'll catch y'all around. Peace out and have a wonderful Monday.